Absolutely. With just one referral, you can earn a cool $150. You only need to bring in one person and make one sale to get your first $150 from this beginner-friendly affiliate program. This program offers fantastic profits ranging from $15 to $150 for each referral. It's incredibly easy to join. No need for followers or a website. You can begin using just a laptop or your mobile phone. Joining is completely free. Plus, you can start promoting right now. In this video, Mr. Minato will show you how to join the Fiverr affiliate program, set up your payment method, carefully select high-quality services to promote and generate your unique affiliate links, and then effectively promote those links to drive sales. I'm really happy about the positive comments on my last video. Thank you. Please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. Your participation helps our community grow. Let's get started. Step 1. Join the Fiverr Affiliate Program. Fiverr Affiliates is a program that allows you to earn money by promoting Fiverr, the leading marketplace for freelance services. It's simple. Once you join as a free affiliate member, you can share and promote any Fiverr service with others, whether they need help with marketing, design, technology, or anything else. When people you refer to Fiverr make their first purchase, you earn commissions. The unique aspect of this affiliate program is that when you promote a service priced at just $5 and someone purchases through your referral, you can earn multiples of the service price, perhaps $15, $25, $30, and up to $150. It's really impressive. There is no limit to how much you can earn, and you will have access to marketing materials and tools. Additionally, Fiverr provides professional support, tutorials, dashboards to help you manage your campaigns, and creative resources to make your promotions more effective. Fiverr Affiliates offers different commission plans for promoting Fiverr's services, and you can choose the plan you prefer. Here's a breakdown of the commission plans and what you can earn. Fiverr CPA and Fiverr Hybrid. Fiverr CPA. You can earn a commission ranging from $15 to $150 CPA, cost per acquisition. The commission rates for Fiverr CPA vary depending on the category of services your referred buyer purchases. You earn these commissions when your referred buyer makes their first purchase on Fiverr. For example, $50 CPA, design, data science, mobile apps, web development. $40 CPA, web builders, interior design, game development, website design. $30 CPA, e-commerce videos, 3D animation, SEO, merchandise, editing, consulting. $25 CPA, illustration, gaming, blog posts, social media, voiceover. $15 CPA, other categories. Fiverr Hybrid. You can earn a fixed $10 CPA for the first-time purchase made by your referral, and you'll also receive a 10% share of their spending on Fiverr for the next 12 months. You can also promote additional products, including Fiverr Pro, which offers a $100 CPA once the referred account reaches $100 in spending, along with a 10% revenue share for 12 months. Additionally, Fiverr Affiliates offers a lifetime commission of 10% on every referred affiliate's earnings, and there's the opportunity to earn $30 CPA for each order made with Fiverr Logo Maker. Fiverr Affiliates provides various options to earn commissions based on the services your referrals purchase. To sign up, visit affiliates.fiverr.com. You can find the website link in the first comment and the description. Click Join Now to provide your information. First name, last name, email address, username, and password. Select Private for your account type. Choose Yes if you have a main source of traffic. Otherwise, click No. Select your country and language. Provide your Skype account. Finally, click Next to sign up for the Fiverr Affiliates program. Step 2. Set up your payment method. Fiverr Affiliates pays commissions monthly, but only if your account has earned over $100. There are 3 payment options. If your monthly commissions are under $1,000, you can choose between PayPal or Payoneer. If your monthly commissions exceed $1,000, you can opt for a wire transfer, which allows payments to your bank account. To set up your payment method, go to Account Details, then navigate to Payment Details and simply click Edit. Select your preferred currency, USD, Euro, or GBP. Choose your payment method, wire transfer, PayPal, or Payoneer. Enter the required details for your chosen method, click Save, and verify your password. Once your earnings reach $100, usually within 15 to 30 days, you can request a payment by clicking the Request Payment button on your dashboard. That's all there is to it. Step 3. Select high-quality services to promote and generate your affiliate links. So here's what you need to do. Click on Marketing Tools, then select Default and Deep Links. Here you will find different links, such as the Fiverr CPA. When you share this link and someone makes a purchase, you earn a commission. But here's the issue. If you simply copy and paste this link into a web browser, it will take users to the Fiverr homepage. This is not ideal. What you want to do instead is direct them to a specific page where they can make an instant purchase. Why? Because on the Fiverr homepage there are countless options, and the chances of making a purchase are much lower. So it's better to direct visitors to a specific service. First, you need to have a Fiverr account. If you don't have one, you can easily create an account. Now choose a high-rated service in your preferred field with reasonable pricing. For example, let's consider graphic design services. We'll select logo design since it's in high demand. Many services will appear, and you can use filters to get the best results. Let's choose this one. This gig offers simple, professional logo design services with a 5-star rating and over 4,000 completed orders. It covers various styles like simple, luxurious, modern, and more. You'll receive top-notch work, speedy communication, and high-quality files. There are 3 packages starting at $25. Customers highly appreciate the quality and excellent communication. So, if you're looking for professional minimalist logo design, this service is a perfect choice. To generate the affiliate link for this page, copy the link to this page, go to Default and Deep Linking, click on LP URL, paste the link, and voila, your affiliate link is generated. Step 5. Promote your affiliate links to get sales. After generating the affiliate link, our next step is to find individuals in need of a logo designer, whether it's for their company, a project, or as content creators, shop owners, or entrepreneurs. So where can we find these potential customers? The answer lies within social media platforms, and there are several effective methods to locate potential buyers for this service. Platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, and more can be utilized for this purpose. Now, I'll share one of the simplest and most effective methods with you, a method that some people use to earn hundreds of dollars, despite its simplicity. In future videos, I will delve into various strategies for Fiverr affiliate marketing. For now, let's focus on a great platform, Quora.com. Quora is renowned for being the go-to site for questions and answers, covering virtually every topic imaginable. Here, you'll find answers to countless inquiries from all corners of the world. It serves as a global forum where individuals ask questions, and specialists from around the world provide answers and share experiences. So, head over to Quora.com and then use the search bar to look for questions related to logo design. Just by searching for logo design, you'll come across numerous individuals actively seeking logo designers. When you find these questions, don't hesitate. Respond to them. You can use ChatGPT, a tool that provides well-crafted and persuasive responses, which you can then send to these potential clients seeking a logo designer. In your responses, remember to include your affiliate link. Each day, this method will generate clicks for you. While you might not see immediate sales and commissions initially, with time and consistency, you'll begin earning monthly commissions. Furthermore, you're not limited to promoting just one service. You can promote multiple services simultaneously by following the same approach I've explained. Thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I introduced one of my top picks, perfect for beginners. It's super user-friendly compared to other programs. We covered joining the Fiverr affiliate program, setting up your payment method, selecting quality services to promote, creating your unique affiliate links, and boosting sales with Quora's free traffic. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more strategies you'll love.